So we back again. I got another accessory for my little TV right here. Let's have a look what's inside. Ooh, look at that. I really like this company packaging, man. Because they have this very safety protection on each corner for extra layer. I like this frame. Oh my god, this is so classy. This is so classic, my friend. Let's have a look. How do you open it? How do you frame? Oh my goodness, this is actual frame. Can you imagine? You can hang it on your wall like a mirror, and it's actually, when you turn it on, it's actually a TV. I can't wait. Let me show it to you. I have to show this to you. Move the TV on the side. Move this baby box right here away. Okay, clean desk. Let's see. How do I put my TV on? That's a very good question. Let's say, oh, it fits perfectly. All you gotta do, just slide in on the TV. Okay, on the back of the TV, you can see. Very suitable, very clean. Simply just insert that, chuck it in, and now look at the bad boy right here. Oh my goodness, isn't it so gorgeous, so amazing? You can hang it on the wall. It's very suitable on my back wall. Hang it in there, you know, and then you can just, you know, just turn it on and feel it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Very classic. Look at the frame. Let me show you the frame one more time. Let me show you the frame one more time. Look at that quality of that frame. It's the actual actual frame. Look at that. Detail. All this texture on there. I know, right? Oh, they cut out the corner here. Just in case somehow you could not use your remote for your control. Oh my god, look at this. Somehow they even cut out the little small hole on here. So when you're actually using the remote, it will actually pass through the signal. I feel good. I like this TV remote. So this guy knows what he's doing. This guy knows what he's doing, man. What's the company called again? Let me see. Where's the company name? Where are you? The company called Soulaca. Let me bring it up the box too. Soulaca. God damn. 22-inch 1080p. Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube. You know me, bro. You know me. I like this thing. This thing is beast.